So here is Zigazoo app, safe social for kids and teens. So this is the app. Yeah, like if you want your kids or your teenagers, just use a more safe social than TikTok, than Instagram Reels, than YouTube Shorts, and then just engage your kids or teens in some creative activity, so they can try some vlogs, they can try to go viral, but in a bit more limited teen environment. So this is pretty cool new app. It's kind of alternative to CoverStar. So CoverStar is a viral app in this niche. Zigazoo is a new app in this niche, but also already over 40,000 ratings. So yeah, again, this is app not for adults. But if your kids or teens want to create an account, they will need a parental approval for this app. You can post videos, you can scroll through the feed, remix what's trending from your favorite creators, track in real time, from challenges and clips to stitches and duets. Zigazoo lets kids and teens jump into the culture as it happens and get seen for it. And it's giving FYP energy without the toxic side of social media. So create, remix, go viral. So post short form videos. You can also create longer videos, but for that you need to upgrade. Overall, in this app, you literally need to upgrade to use in more advanced way. So post short form videos, jump on trends and challenges, remix everything, build your feed, get discovered. A social feed that feels good, safety built in, parent verified accounts, Zigazoo community highlights, Zigazoo Premium Plus. There is a Premium Plus, so this is a subscription. Unlock more creative power, videos up 10 minutes. Create your own challenges, advanced editing tools for transitions, collabs, and more. 100 gigabucks each month. Post first, remix fast, catch the trend. It's giving Zigazoo. So now you can just open it up. So basically you can just see short form videos, you can see trending videos, trending creations, then you can just try to post. Basically you see 30 seconds without timer available in free version. If you want a 1 or 10 minutes video, if you want a timer, you need to upgrade. Still, you can upload from your camera roll, you can add some sounds, and that's it. So kind of very basic, minimalistic. But here you have it. You can see all the daily leaderboard. So you still see it's quite niche. People just getting like 3,000 likes, 2,000 likes. So it's not like 100,000 likes. It's not like YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. So it's not that big, but it's quite a nice niche to actually get started and start growing. So, and then you can see invites. There are also invites leaderboard. So feel free to use my invite code. And then you can just enter some giveaways and stuff. Also, you need to have verified badge. So there is verification, but also you need to have consented badge. Consent you need to get from your parents. So just get it from when you create an account, you need to give it to your parents, and they need to verify email and stuff. So then you can start using the app. And then you can see the coins which you can buy. Then there are groups, and then you can also create a group yourself. So this is something new. Then there are settings. There is a Zigazoo Premium, which you can try to use. You can see what is the difference with Premium, that you have no ads. You can post 60-second videos and exclusive editing tools, and 10 minutes videos, faster video posting times, create challenges, update username, Zigazoo verified. So that's another. Collectibles. So there are also some collectibles. I didn't even know that. So there are a lot of new features being added, and then there's the box which you can also buy. Advanced settings, you can delete your account as well. So something like that. There are also streaks. You earn 2 gigabucks for coming back today, and that's how you just earn them. So that's what it is. And also, some people can go live in this app, so they can create live streams. I cannot create it. I don't know why. In some areas you can create it. In some other, probably in some countries it's available. In others not. Or you need to be like a productive creator in this app, and then when you created some videos in this app, you will be able to actually, to post live content. But for me, it doesn't work. I'm based in Europe, so yeah, that's what it is. Also, you can just go and edit. You can add some accessories, update photo. So some of the accessories require a kind of Zigabox. So something like that, basically. So there you have it. Is it better than CoverStar? I think no. CoverStar is the leading app in this category, but parents looking for more and more apps in this category, and this is, I think, one of the biggest competitors right now for CoverStar. And then you can just see this app is great. It's like TikTok but safer and fun for kids. And without premium, you 30 seconds to record, and that's not enough. Loves it so much. I think it's a great alternative to also I do as premium. I know that's how they make it, but with more editing features and so on. So overall, this app is getting quite good ratings, and they are running a lot of ads. But basically, yeah, it's still quite basic, and you can't do much on this app unless you upgrade. So you literally need to upgrade in this app to start using it properly. So okay, so we should do not have to premium to post longer videos. So as you can see, people are annoyed that you literally need to upgrade to post longer videos. So that's what it is basically. But yeah, overall, quite a good app. So definitely give it a try if you're looking for something like that in the category.